for those of you new here, I'm Jeremy Serialas, an MD-PhD student from the Philippines, and I vlog about medicine, medical school, life of a medical student, intern, clerk, research. As you probably saw from the title, this vlog is about my OB-GYN rotation during internship. It was a total of 8 weeks. It was an endless cycle of pre-duty and post. For our pre-duty, we either go to the OPD to see patients the whole day, most of the time from 8 a.m. to around 6 p.m. or sometimes you extend depending on the number of patients. It can also be ward duty. So we have 3 wards in the hospital.
In one ward, we do TOCO and fetal heart tones or FHT monitoring for the whole shift. We're basically monitoring the contractions and fetal heart rate. When you do TOCO plus FHTs the whole shift, you can hear this sound even at home and even in your dreams.
So that's our pre-duty. For our duty, it's 12 hours or sometimes it can extend more than 12 hours because there are summary rounds every single day from 7 to 7:30 a.m. where you need to attend no matter what your post is. We have a number of different posts, so you can either be a DR or delivery room, can be OBAS or OB admitting sections like the ER for OB-GYN patients. You can also have LRDR pay ward. I think that's it for duty. So it's a 12-hour duty. The third one is the post duty, where it's either you're a true off or you don't have any duty at all the next day after your duty, or if you were an AM duty the previous day, then your post duty would be OR. You will be assigned a case and you will scrub in for that case. If your pre-duty is an AM, your duty is another AM, then your post-duty is an OR. But if your pre-duty is a PM, your duty is also a PM, and your post-duty is a true off. Tapos after mo ng PM, may summary rounds, tapos PM ulit, tapos may summary rounds. So parang minsan sabaw ka na lang talaga papasok. So that's the duty cycle for the hospital I had my internship. Minsan may mga malas lang talaga na mga tao na kung PM sila pre-duty, tapos in between that time, may 12 hours kami na break. Yung iba, may SIC sila or student in charge, which is a patient na possibly yun yung surgery schedule, which need nilang mag-assist doon. So parang yung rest nila na dapat i-rest na lang sana nila, mag-a-assist pa sila sa OR, study the case, assist, etc. Then, papasok sila ulit pagka gabi. So, it gets very tiring, especially pag padulo na ng rotation. But yeah, minsan malas lang talaga. Let's get on to the vlog. Hello. This is my last OBAS duty ever. My last day in OB-GYN. And kind of feeling sad because I'll be leaving a lot of people. May mga hindi na ako makikita, maybe forever or for a while.
Bye-bye, OB! Pagalitan tayo.
Sabay mo ba yung vlog?
Hindi naman. It's been years.
Saan na ako?
Bahala ka dyan, boss.
Lagay niya eh, bal. Picture sa akin. I'm so tired. Guys, sabi.
Sorry na, Jen. Sorry na, Jen.
Nag-later yung love.
Good, yeah. Tapos lipat mo sa akin.
Ito yung ending namin. Wala na.
Naging 6 a.m. na di pa siya nakakalap. Sana mag-crack.
Yung kay Brent, ginawa niyang OB-GYN.
Yung sa kabila kasi.
Sino guys?
Sino pa?
Yes, Michelle. Video pa ko. Video kaya.
Sino yung laba mo?
Ano ka lang namumulaklak?
Excuse me. Nasakto, alas 12.
Oh, that's wala ka. Party.